Okay, if you can't remember anything, just remember, okay, in all markets, just like stock market, commodities, anything, it's all about market cycle. If it goes up, one fine day it will come down, or we test the key levels like 50-day, 100-day, 200-day moving average. No such thing as keep going up forever. That's why when the price actually went up so much in December and January, okay, some of us, we already know, we already stack or layer our sell orders, okay, up to around 20,000. This is where most of us are off the market for those seasoned traders. Okay, these are some of the key areas, all right? So where do you buy if you are looking at the charts? You can take a photo of this. The blue areas are my entry points. If you are patiently waiting and more for long term, I can buy on the spring. Now is a good time to buy if you have super long term, probably holding a few years. It's still so cheap. Okay, probably cheap in the right term. If you are a trader, I will buy on a breakout. Likelihood for me, above 8,000 USD, I think it's a safe level for a longer term trade because I want to be sure that there is a bullish reversal. Clearly now it's still bearish, right? For swing traders. And then the red area is where you want to set your sell orders, right? So I won't be just stubbornly holding to the coin. Okay, these are some of the patterns, those who are familiar, reversal patterns. You can see if you're on social media, who's on Twitter, you can add me on Twitter as well, all right? You see a lot of crypto traders like to share about this. Okay, double top, head and shoulder pattern. So observe these are key reversal signs. Continuation patterns, which means you can see this chart, okay, patterns, then probably it's time for you to wait for opportunity to enter long again. And bilateral patterns, normally triangles. You might have seen on social media, especially Twitter, people always say, wow, triangle pattern on an altcoin, time to buy. Doesn't mean triangle pattern, which means it will break out to the upside. It might break down. All triangle patterns are bilateral patterns. Okay, all triangle patterns. I will wait for a break up or break down before I enter short or long. Right? So it's not an accurate pattern. I won't take reference to triangle patterns, just to take note. Profit or loss. A quick one on risk management. Some of y'all might have seen this the first time. If you're new, you deposit maybe $10,000 on liquid, they will say thank you to you, but please make sure, okay, you know how much you want to trade. Don't first timer all in, show hand. Right? This is not speculation. Just imagine, if you lose 50% of your capital, you put in 10,000, you lose 50,000, you need to make up 100% returns on your next trade in order to make up your capital, you know? Right? So just imagine. So for experienced traders, normally for us, we don't even dare to show hand. Probably we only risk 2%. For beginners, please, 0.5 or 1% maximum. Which means if you have $10,000, 1% of 10,000 is how much? Anyone can tell me? How much? You only can risk 1% of 10,000, not show hand, unless you have more capital to do. So traders who risk more than 10% will disappear quickly. Speculation, but actually it's a problem. You don't know how to do proper risk management. Secondly, a lot of people ask me, what is the formula to calculate how much to buy? Okay, this is the formula. You can take a snapshot of this. Position size equals risk times budget divided by entry price or stop loss, minus stop loss. So for example, if you have a budget of 5,000 Sing dollars, you deposit in coin or on liquid, and now I understand that the deposit is very speedy, so you can try it at home tonight. You buy Bitcoins for $8,000, your personal willing to take a risk, your stop loss is 7,000, which means what? If the price drops to 7,000, it's okay. I stop loss, I trigger my stop loss, I'm willing to suffer a loss to get out of the market because I fear that the price may drop further. Okay, so your position size will be, if I want to risk 1%, only 1% times 5,000 divided by 8,000 minus 7,000. So you only can use 0.05 or buy 0.05 worth of Bitcoin using your capital.